Happy day children. Welcome to the next session of grade 6 science. The minute we open our eyes, we see our surroundings. We see a variety of objects of different colors, shapes and sizes. When are we not able to see things around us? It is when our eyes are closed or when it is dark. At these times, what do you think is preventing us from seeing objects around us? Is there something missing? Yes, it is the source of light. Light is something that enables us to see the things around us. We cannot see anything if there is no light. Objects that give out light are called luminous objects. Example, sun, candle, torch, etc. Objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects. Example, book, table, chair, etc. Any object that gives out light is called a source of light. Luminous objects are also called sources of light. Sources of light can be natural or artificial. Examples of natural sources of light are the sun, stars, and even insects that emit light also come under the category of natural sources of light, like firefly, jellyfish, etc. Examples of artificial sources of light are candle, electric bulb, LED, and even the light from the toys also makes them to fall under the category of artificial source of light. Light behaves differently when it passes through different materials. Based on the way light passes through them, we can classify materials into three broad categories: transparent objects, translucent objects, and opaque objects. Let's study about them in detail through an activity.
I have taken a clear glass, a colored glass, and a notebook for this activity. I am using a torch light as my source of light. See how bright the torch light is. Now let's check what happens with different objects. I am taking a clear glass in front of the torchlight. Have you noticed, children? The brightness of the light did not reduce because the clear glass is a transparent object. Now, let's see what happens with a colored glass. Did you notice the brightness has reduced a bit because the colored glass didn't allow all the light to pass through it because it is a translucent material. Now, I'm bringing a notebook in front of the torchlight. See, no light passes through the notebook because the notebook is an opaque object. So, in such a way, different materials allow different amount of light to pass through them. So, children, we have learned how materials are classified based on their transparency and based on whether they emit light or not. In the next upcoming sessions, we will discuss about some interesting phenomena related to light. Thank you.